The other thing that I would suggest is this is the point in time where you're starting to develop a resume. Like, you're going to want to be able to get an internship over the summer. It's an easy way to make like $10,000 or more. I mean, if you're worried about money, like, definitely plan to get an internship. But the only way to do that is to actually have a job while you're working, or to like just be involved in these extracurricular activities that totally counts when you're in college. So like honor societies, make sure you qualify to be in them, make sure you join them. Volunteer organizations, show that you care about people. If you don't care about people, join so you can learn about caring about people. Just get involved, and then it's super cool because you meet other people that are like you. You're the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. As you're developing in college, coming into adulthood, who do you want to hang around? Do you want to hang around people that have ambitious goals, respect themselves, and have a commitment to helping the community, for teaching empathy, valuing humanity, and things like that? Or do you want to just surround yourself with people that are trying to figure out how they're going to get wasted on the weekend, or every day of the week actually, and who they're going to sleep with next? I mean, it's your choice, but I'm just saying that's something that I think you should definitely think about as you're going into your freshman year, and just have fun. The best part about college is like hanging out with people outside of class. I mean, point blank. Being on campus, if you can be on campus, be on campus. Definitely be on campus. Have fun. And like, don't be so tied down to the type of people you're used to hanging out with. Let's say you always hung out with the skaters in high school. Like, okay, still have skater friends, but hang out with people that are into other things. Start developing an appreciation for people that are interested in different types of things and that have different ways of thinking about life, because it's not about changing you, it's about enriching you and making you more aware of how other people view the world and what they value, and that makes you a better person. So now it's 2:11, so I hope that helped you guys. I'm so excited. Like, you're back to college, you're starting for the first time. Like, are you guys excited? Are you scared? Like, totally let me know. And if you have any questions, like, I'd love to answer them. Like, comment down below or shoot me a DM. You can always like come over, hang out, and we can talk about it. So bye, loves.